nasty. Bad bitches and they classic, they trashy. Ask me anything you really want, I'ma let them up, I'ma go dumb. I do this shit for fun. Tell them niggas check in with me, cause I keep a gun. You cannot play dirty, let it spray. That 9 minute dirty clip, let them. This is all I gotta say. I do it both for the game. Me and you is not the same. Stay in your place. Go your lane. I carry the two, and I'm still in the 5th. Live. Bow, 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 bow.
And I pull up behind me, you know they really start. Hey, Glock on my hip on the left side, try to spin, take a trip through the west side. Hey, I'm trying to spin like a jet fire, put a hole in his face in his left eye. Like, smoking on face to my chest wall. Like, you know I got a laser to catch mine. Like, with this cable, I feel like a death guy. I'm trying to hop out the big